Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Like many others of you, I just watched the world premiere of the Id.3 and oh my god, it was boring. I mean, it was a lot of talking about other things and I get what they're trying to do, but everybody was just waiting for the car and then they finally bring it out and they don't say many new things that we didn't know before, but at least now it's not speculation. They say it's like this and that's good. And they didn't say anything about the first edition prices for different versions, and I was really waiting for that, and I was hoping when can we order the car, so details about stuff like that, but nah. But I wrote down, so of course they showed the cars in 3 colors, but this wasn't the first edition. They talked about the first edition is right there, and then they didn't show it, so no idea. I'm guessing it was still the prototype with the weird colors, maybe. But they showed the car. I have notes here that I wrote down. They showed it in 3 colors, in some minty, whatever, greenish, turquoise color, in white where it looked great with the black stuff, and I'll talk later, and light gray, and it was bicolor, B-color. Car was one that I liked the most was and that they showed the most was the white color, and then the roof was black, the trunk thingy trunk was black, and the front, they say the where the wind had to do something, was black, and it looked really good. I liked that, and it had a bit of stuff in there. The car looked really good without any camouflage in that white, really nice interior. It's like we all expected, the same as the Seat Elborn, the how to change gear, the display, the buttons on the left for lights, that there are no buttons in the middle, but it looks good. So we know new updates over the air. What else do we have? Interior had some colors in there. Interior had 3 colors. The steering wheel was white. Then it was something in dark gray and red. The red I wouldn't want to see, but that's fine. The back windows were also darkened. That was interesting. What did I see? I want to see everything. So they set 310 Newton meters torque on the rear wheels, and I found out that ID stands for intuitive device. I didn't know that. It charged with 100 kilowatt. We knew that. 30 minutes for 290 kilometers of range. They said the names of the different battery sizes. I didn't hear the first one. I should hear back. But the second one is Pro, and so the 58 kilowatt hour net capacity, and the 77 kilowatt hour is Pro S. Has App Connect, where of course charge status and preheating everything, and the thing I said. Then it has the voice control, Hello ID, and then there's when you say that, then there's a red light in the dashboard, and it recognizes if it's the driver or the passenger. And then if you say something what they want the car to do, I don't know, navigate, or I don't know, turn light down, and then it turns into green. You have ambient lighting, and I have a picture here. What I liked, the one woman said a very nice thing. So the movability of the car is like the up, you know, that very small Volkswagen they have. Then space inside like a Passat, size outside like a Golf, and power like a GTI Golf. So sounds nice. What I loved, what they said, is there's no start-stop button. Or maybe there is, but they didn't talk about it. They just said you go with the key to the car, get in the car, put it in drive, the gear, and drive. I like that. This I like a lot. They showed the augmentative head-up display. Yeah, this. Well, we still knew 30,000 euros for the small battery, but minus the incentives. So that's before incentives. I like that. They said that every 2 years is a service for the Id.3, but it doesn't matter how many kilometers you have driven. That's interesting. Production starts in November for the Id.3, and the first cars will go to customers in spring. That's new, not summer. I think that's it. That's all they showed. On the website now changed. Of course, it's not the camouflage car anymore, and you can see some pictures of the panoramic roof, buttons on top of that, and of course the inside and everything. It looks really good. The car looks great. I was hoping for a bit more information and a bit more information on prices and everything. So the car itself, for the whole presentation, what was it now, 1.5 hours, and the car itself was shown and talked about for maybe 15 minutes in detail, the details that we all been waiting for. It's nice to see it, looks great, it's a great car, I still want it. And the things that I learned that I didn't know before makes it even more interesting. There's a picture of the seats. But again, I was missing information about the first edition that I would have wanted. Prices, different features for every version, and stuff like this. I hope that follows soon. If not, they have to ask many questions on Friday when I go to the Frankfurt Motor Show. I'm very excited. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.